Hello there. Today we are making chicken Malai Kebab, aka Reshmi Kebab using charcoal grill. It's simple yet delicious recipe. Now let's start with cooking. Check the description for the measurements. Take 500 grams of boneless chicken pieces, cut in half and add ginger garlic paste, some salt and squeeze one medium-sized lemon and mix it well. Let it marinate for half an hour. For the second marinade, you need some hung curd, fresh cream, grinded green chilli and coriander leaves, cardamom powder, cinnamon powder, pepper powder, garam masala powder, and some salt. Mix it. And add the chicken pieces and mix it again. You can add 1 tablespoon of processed cheese for the authentic flavor in the marinade. It's up to you. This has to sit for 4 hours or at least 2 hours in the refrigerator. Now let's skewer the chicken pieces one by one. Light up the charcoal grill, place the skewers, turn it around to the other side when it browns, apply butter occasionally. Now the Reshmi kebab is ready to serve. It is a creamy kebab which can be sided best with butter garlic naan. Try this simple and amazing recipe and tell me how you like this video in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Zesty Bowls. Thank you for watching.